Do you ever wonder what your pet gets up to at night or maybe while you're away on vacation? I don't have to wonder anymore because I set up a little surveillance camera out in our rec room where the cat lives. I'm Gina with WTI and I'm ecstatic with this camera that I got from MUBVIEW. First of all, it was so easy to set up and it comes with a very user-friendly app. I love that I can set this up for motion detection. So it's not recording all the time, but whenever I have some kind of movement within that area, it gets it for me, and it has night vision. There's even the option for two-way talk. So even though my cat isn't answering me back, I do like to talk to her, and you can see that she sees the camera, and when it's moving, she follows it as well. Speaking of, this has 355-degree pan and 60-degree tilt. So you can get a 360-degree field of vision. So depending on where you have it stationed, you can see into every nook and cranny of the room. I love how clear the resolution is on the camera, and it's just fun to spy on my little baby or whoever else happens to be in the room. This is such a budget-friendly price. I honestly don't know how I lived without one of these, and that's my point of view.